Good afternoon, Tigers, and welcome back to KIRV. We hope you enjoyed the premiere of Season 20, and we're here with the follow-up.
Let's not waste any time. My name's Ashlee Henderson.
And I'm Sarah Sophia. Let's get straight into the news. Last Friday, the Tiger tennis team went head-to-head against the Lake Highland Wildcats, and while the results weren't exactly what we were hoping for, the officers and athletes learned a lot and are excited for their next match, which is today.
The tennis team has a match today after school. It's scheduled to be an away game against the Berkner Rams. However, due to severe heat concerns, this information is subject to change. We recommend following the tennis team Instagram page. That's Tennis IHS. And while you're there, why not follow the official Tiger Nation Network Instagram page as well?
We're wishing our Tiger tennis team the best of luck. Also on Tuesday, your Tiger Volleyball Squad is squaring up against the Sunset High Bison. This is a special game because it's also Teacher Appreciation Night. The JV game starts at 5:30 while the varsity game starts at 6:30. It's going to be a great game. One final reminder that the varsity game is tonight at 6:30. It's Teacher Appreciation Night, so make sure to show up and show out, teachers. We love y'all.
Tomorrow, Irving High School junior varsity football team will be having their first official game of the season. They'll be clashing against the Fort Worth Pascal Panthers.
Tigers and Panthers, two big cats, but only one can be king of the jungle. The hunt begins at 5:30 at the main Tiger Field.
Hey there everyone, this is your editor speaking. I just wanted to cut in with a few corrections. Due to severe heat warnings, the start time for these upcoming football games have been moved back. The JV game on Wednesday will begin at 7 p.m., and the varsity game on Thursday will now begin at 7:30 p.m. So both games have been pushed back just a little bit. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
Show up for the first football game of the season.
We're wishing our JV athletes the best of luck, and the varsity players are on deck with the Thursday game against the Panthers as well. This will be the varsity season kickoff. This game will be held at Clark Stadium in Fort Worth. The game is scheduled to begin at 7 p.m.
This will be the official debut of the 2023 IHS football team, led by head coordinator, Coach Nickerson. For those that missed it, last Friday there was an all-out pep rally where we celebrated all of our fall athletes. KIRV was on the scene, and our strike team captured some interviews from those in attendance. Let's see what they have to say. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing well. What's your name?
I'm McKenna.
I'm Diego.
Royce.
My name is Patty.
My name's Jennifer.
Ariana.
Alondra.
I'm Miss Jagle.
All right, Ms. Jago, you excited for today?
I am so excited. I can't wait to see all our student athletes and band students and dancers, cheerleaders, everybody perform.
Good. Are you excited for this new year?
I'm pretty excited.
What do you do? Do you do sports, band, orchestra?
I'm in band. I play saxophone.
You're pretty in band. Any goals you're looking forward to making this year, man?
Just being the best out there, you know.
Being the best. Are you excited to be here today?
Yes.
All right. What sport are you from?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Do you guys have any goals for this year? Anything you're looking forward to?
Tournaments.
Tournaments? You hoping you guys can win some?
Yeah.
You confident?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. All right. Do you do any sports, any activities?
Yes, I'm a Toy Tiger,
You're a
first
Toy Tiger?
lieutenant.
First lieutenant?
Yes.
Oh, that's very exciting. Do you have any goals for Toy Tigers this year?
My goal is to make sure the team looks great for contest season, get through spring show, winter show, and all of our other performances.
All right. You excited for contest season?
Yes.
Hoping to bring home some wins?
Yes, hopefully.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. What are you guys doing here today?
We're in Tiger Fever.
Tiger Fever? Yeah. Do you guys have any goals for Tiger Fever this year?
Good spirit.
Have fun. Have fun.
Year.
Yay.
Yes.
All right. You guys excited to finish your senior year off with a bang?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, ladies. Do you do any sports, band, orchestra, anything?
Well, I'm doing theater and dance right now.
You're doing theater and dance?
Yeah.
Could you tell me a little bit about, I see you have some flags. Do you do cooking art?
Yeah, we participated the whole summer for the rallies and the games and everything, so this is gonna be good.
I'm just getting an interview.
That was an amazing anchor. Wasn't she so awesome?
Sure. So, remember, tonight there is an away tennis game as well as a home volleyball game. Wednesday, there is the JV football game followed by the varsity game on Thursday. In celebration of the first game of the season, Thursday is Tropical or Hawaiian Day. So bring your Tommy Bahama summer shirts, your khaki shorts, and some shades, and party hard as your Tiger athletes march towards their first victory of the season.
There will be a theme day each time the varsity football team has a game. Here's the full team schedule. Feel free to take a screenshot if you're watching this on your phone, or take a picture if you're watching along with your class.
We also want to take a moment to highlight a very special student. Diana Canales is your AP Scholar of the Week. Diana is one of our school's brightest, having earned 21 college credit hours.
Diana's on pace to begin her college career as a sophomore, and she's also an NMSI STEM award winner. She loves science, art, and is this week's Tiger Academy AP Scholar. Congratulations, Diana!
We had the opportunity to conduct a brief interview with Diana, where we asked her some questions about her experience taking AP classes. Please enjoy this short video.
Well, I'd say that overall, the experiences that I've had in taking AP classes has been very positive. I've been able to gain college credit, and I've been able to learn about multiple subjects that I probably wouldn't have been able to learn about without those AP classes that are offered here at Irving High School. One particular class that really stood out to me was AP Chemistry. I took it last year during my junior year here, and it was very interesting as a person who loves science. It really teaches the principles of matter, what everything is made up of. Well, I'd say that go for it. I mean, you really can't truly go wrong. Even if you think you might not pass, or if you see yourself like not passing at all, it's still a very good experience and opportunity to look at college level coursework and learn valuable skills such as critical thinking and analysis.
Thank you, and congratulations again, Diana. Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Tiger Nation. We'll see you tomorrow with another exciting round of news, plus a very special video that we've been working on since before the beginning of school.
I've been Ashlee.
And I've been Sarah Sophia. This is KIRV signing off.